Okay, so we're given a translation. We're moving the circle from where it originally is, and we want to write a new equation. Now, I think the easiest way to do this is just to identify your original center, move it however they tell you to move it, and then just plug that new center into the equation. Because does the radius change? If we're moving the circle, is the radius going to change? No. The size of the circle still remains the same. We're just moving the location of it, okay? So let's look at number 10 on that page that you have, okay? We've got x minus 15 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 12. So the current center, I'm going to put O for original or old, okay? The current center is positive 15, positive 3, right? We change the sign when we take it out of the equation. So if we move 3 units left, what is our x coordinate going to be? If we're at 15 and we move 3 left, we're going to be at 12. Vertically, if we start at 3 and we move 3 down, we're going to be at 0. So our new equation is going to be x minus 12 squared plus, we really don't need to do the y minus, we can just write it as y squared, is equal to 12. The radius does not change. Okay, the radius does not change. So here's the center. The radius, just to get us some extra practice, is what? What's the radius?
What do you mean?
What is the radius? What's the length of the radius of this circle?
Oh, it's like
The square root of 12, which, how does that simplify? 2 square root of 3. Okay, 2 square root of 3, because it's 4 times 3, square root of 4 is 2, 3 stays under, okay? That's just, I'm just throwing that out there to review, okay? Just to make sure that we can still identify what the radius is, okay? So, on your worksheet here, 1 through 9, I want you to go through this process. Identify what your center is, move it however they tell you to move it, identify your new center, write the equation, and I also want you to identify the new the radius. It's not new, it's still the same. But I just want us to practice remembering that we got to take the square root of that number. Okay.